This is the elevator at the Pew Fine Arts Center at Grove City College in Grove City, Pennsylvania. This was originally an old Otis, but sadly this just got a Schindler HXpress mod last year. I did not get to see the old elevator. Unfortunately, a lot of times there's no lantern, which is rather weird. Down one has a fully flush swing return panel, which is interesting. Don't think I really see that. I should just read it down. You're at one, which is not too far of a distance. I thought this was from like the mid-70s, but this looks older than the 70s. This looks more 60s. That's a loud dog rear for the rear side. We're up to 3. There you go. Here are 3. Something else pretty large over there. Studio closet. Come back down to 2. You have your Otis center lock that we see on these newer Schindler mods apparently. This is Unitech now. Basic redundant snap cab. LED spotlighting. This was completely modernized. Fortunately, here you're back at 2. There goes another.